This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your frozen Lenovo tablet. For some reason my screen isn't working. I can't see it and still swipe down. But if I go to the power options, all I have to do is hold down the power button and then maybe volume down or volume up. So let's do power button, volume down at the same time. Just hold both those things down. And after about 10 seconds it should restart. And there we go. It's going to force restart the device. So if my screen was being weird. Now if it doesn't work when you're holding down power button and volume down, try power button, volume up. So it seems like I got to turn this on there right now. It's not going to just restart. So I'm just going to hold down the power button. Okay, my tablet is going to start up again. So I should be good to go. My screen should be normal when I get back to it. I'm not sure what was going on with that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.